So here's what we're working on today. A little backpack blower, a little Echo PB265L, no start. Let's see what's going on. First thing, let's see. Well, it ain't got no gas in it. Let's look at some obvious things first. See what's going on here. Ooh-wee. That, yeah, that's dirty. Okay, welcome back to Rayleigh's Small Engines. I'm T-Bone. Well, like I always say, simple things first. Let's put some gas in it. Golly, my jug's empty. Put some gas in it and prime it up and just see what happens. You never know. It might be that simple. Make a short video on it. Is it gonna pump up? If you ever pumping these balls and they want to stick in and just slowly come out, first thing I want you to do is put a fuel filter in it. There we go. 867 pumps later. We got a little bit of fuel in there. Choke on. Leave the blower tube, but this one has got the control right here. I'm gonna cut it up, I don't know, about halfway. Let's pull, see what'll happen. This thing might even run. Uh-oh. Can you believe that? Golly, this is gonna be a short video, huh? Simple things first, folks, simple things first. One neat thing about an Echo, most of them, if the sticker happens to fall off, they put a little tag on here and even tells you what spark plug to put in it. BPM 8Y. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this. Since we know he needs a fuel filter, we know he needs an air filter, we may as well do a fuel filter and new spark plug, tune it up for the man, right? I'm not going to bother with looking at the inside of the cylinder. It sounded too good when it fired up, but normally I would do a flashlight down in here, and what you're looking for is vertical scratches on the cylinder wall, and sometimes you have to use the camera. That plug is actually burning pretty doggone decent there, if you guys can see. Not terrible at all. Now here's our new plug. I can look at that and I can tell you that's about 25 thousandths, which is fine. Hold on. I can't see around the doggone camera. Look at there. That's 25 all day right there. Alrighty. Now that washer is sort of like, I guess you'd call it a crush washer. And when the first time you put a new plug in, you'll feel it hit the cylinder, and then you'll go, and it'll go, and it'll go. Somebody says quarter turn, half turn, or whatever. You go to that thing, and you'll feel it right there. See, it just collapsed and stopped. And what you're doing is crushing that washer, okay? That's on. Let's see about a new air filter. Well, I went and already got one. Here's one here. The part number is a 14443 from Rotary. New air filter, like brand new, y'all. We'll just why won't it won't, did I got it on wrong? Somebody help me, please help me. Great goodness. Supposed to be professional here, y'all. All right, let's take a look at the fuel filter. Now that I done put gas in it, right? A lot of times you can just take and reach right in here, root around, hook, and there she is. Yeah, it looks pretty nasty, y'all. Let's go get a new one of those. All right, I got us a new filter here. I think the Rotary number, I may be wrong. I think it's a 9024, if I remember correctly. Again, I may be wrong, but you can just type in PB265 or whatever model number you might have, and just type that into the old computer box machine, and look yours up and be sure you get the correct one for your machine. I'm just going to take this and Get in there. Get back in there. Well, let's see how she's going to act now, you. Yeah, huh? What? All right, let's get some junk out of the way. Pile more junk over here on my bench that I need to clean off. Cut it back on. Cold start chokealized. Oh yeah, she's pumping good. Let's see what's gonna happen, Captain. That was without the choke, I just noticed. I thought I had her choke on. Let's see what she's gonna act like. Doggone, that's nice. Folks, remember, keep it simple. I thought we might have had more in the video on this, but you know, you never can tell. But I was already filming. I said, well, let's just go ahead and tune this thing up and get her done. But keep it simple. Careful visual inspection is what I always tell everybody. And just do the best you can with it. If you can't, just bring it on down here to T-Bone. I'll straighten it out for you. Thanks for watching. Give us one of those thumbs up. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and click that bell so you get all my new videos. We'll see you next time.